Hello guys, this is Vindes. Here I'm going to show you how to execute this project and also how to access the visualizations from an end user's perspective. So as I mentioned in the post, I have saved the entire project inside GitHub. Here is the link for that. And to start with the execution, now we have to get into the custom machine where we are going to host the application. So let me open up that first. And now I have logged into the machine. Let me make a separate project folder for this test. Okay. This. I'm going to insert that folder. Shit. Yeah, it's an empty folder. Let's follow the README file where I have given the enough instruction to be followed for the project execution. Yeah, so you can just go through the platform requirements and prerequisites because I already my system already satisfies all those things. So we'll directly start with the execution part. Let's follow this each step one by one. First step is to download the project inside your machine. So here is the command to download that. I think it's completed. Yeah, it's been downloaded as a zip file. So let's extract that using the unzip command. Here's the project folder and here is the zip file. Let me remove that zip file. Let's go inside the project. Now these are the files related to the project. So there is one file called static zip file which we have to unzip. You can use unzip command for that. Unzip file. Oh, don't need that. Yeah, it's been extracted. Let's remove that zip file. That's it. Now we can run the application by running this Python file. Python app.py. The application has been started. Now the question is about how do we access these visualizations. Let's go to the browser. If you remember, the IP they have given was this one, and the port. If you go to the execution side, this is the port on which you can access the visualization. I'm giving 5000. And there are two visualizations which I had named as HBase and also HighBase. So let me execute the HBase first. Here we go. Yeah, it's been generated. It's an interactive visualization, so you can select these filters. Yeah. Let's go to the language, Hindi. Yeah. So it's an interactive visualization which is directly connected to the HBase database through Phoenix. Yeah, for the architectural details, I have given entire information inside the documentation. So if you go here, find the documentation here. Now let's execute the Hive visualization. From view perspective, it's going to be the same, but the internal architecture is different for this particular visualization from the HBase. Because HBase is working based on the Phoenix engine, whereas Hive is going to work based on the Hive engine. Yes. Yeah, here we have the visualization. From functionality perspective, both are going to be the same. But if you really look into the performance, I will recommend you guys to use HBase as data source, because it's going to give a far better performance than using Hive, especially for this particular use case. So that's all about the session, and I request you guys to try it yourself. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can always reach out me. You can contact me through LinkedIn, or you can send me a mail. Definitely, I'll try to help you guys, Max. And yeah, thanks for your time. Bye bye.